was trying to be sneaky, but it didn't really work.
Bad job.
We're gonna eat that.
Mwah.
What's in it?
Collard greens and carrots and garlic and potatoes and little pieces of chicken.
Old pieces of chicken?
Little.
Oh.
You're an old piece of chicken.
He said old pieces of chicken. I'm like, that's gross.
You're an old piece of chicken.
I mean,
I didn't mean it.
those are the legs and stuff?
That's just one of the legs. There were 4, so I cooked 3, and I chopped up one and put it in here with the bones.
So what is it, like a stew or something?
Yeah, you pretty much braise collard greens.
Feed me.
Okay.
Oh, I want to see that too.
Okay.